everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our beautiful December stamp and colour release. We have 3 new photopolymer stamps in the December release and they all have matching fussy cutty dies. And I'm going to show you the collection before I show you what is in the kit. So the first stamp in the collection is this little one here. It's called Stand Strong. It's got a gorgeous little flower there that Kasha has drawn and lots of beautiful little sentiments. Very cute. It's a kind of a garden theme collection, this one. There's this little one here, it's called Garden Fairies. This is Mrs. Bean the cat. And these gorgeous little fairies and some little plants. Super sweet. And this one here is our mushroom house set. So these cute little mushrooms all have their own gorgeous little faces as well. So lots of sweet little mushrooms in that one. And the mushroom house one is the one that comes with the collection. So I'm just going to show you very quickly. So each, as I said before, each stamp has a die. Some cards that have been made with them. So this is that gorgeous Stand Strong one. And this is one of our add-on dies I'll show you in a minute. Here's a couple of cards that Kasha's made with the mushrooms and the fairies. See, look how adorable those mushrooms are. And that little caterpillar. Just beautiful. And again, the mushrooms and the fairies. And this is our stitched rectangles die. So very cute. And then these are the gorgeous little plants, the tulips that come with the mushroom house set. So there's just some cards I wanted to show you well, Kasha's made them all actually, with the December collection. Now these are the 2 add-on dies that come, the add-ons for the stamp and colour kit. So I just want to show you this one. It's called Happy Birthday Rays, and that actually says Happy Birthday. And I'll just very quickly show you the font. So there's the little font, the little sweet card that Kasha's made. And the rays are very clever. So these rays cut out and stay. See how cool that is? And the girls from the DT have made some amazing cards with it, and I'll give you a quick flick through the book in a minute. These are this is our other add-on die, and this is Hello, Thanks and Friend. And I will just show you again. That's the font, so that's what the hello looks like. Okay, so they're the 2 add-on dies. In the stamp and colour kit itself, I'm just going to show you now what you get. You get these 2. So you're getting this stamp and this die. Now these retail for $23 each, and this kit is only going to cost you $39. So everything else I'm about to show you is a big fat bonus. So in the kit, you have 2 sweet little lots of twine. We've got some yellow and orange. You've got Kaiser cards and envelopes. Of course, your little ideas book, which we'll flick through in a minute. Some Copic blending card. Some sheets of cardstock just to make your card bases with, really, and all these gorgeous double-sided pattern papers that are our unique designs. Kasha's designed these. She is the designer extraordinaire, the Uniquely Creative, and they are so sweet. So this is on the back of the packet. If you see these in any of our retailers, we really encourage you to go and purchase this from your retailers. If you can, purchase from your local store or your local line store that you use. And I'm just going to give you a quick flick through the book. So we've already seen that card. So our design team have done some amazing jobs. So in the beginning, it's going to show you a couple of little images that you can make with just using the kit itself. So you don't need any extras or any add-ons. Just using the kit, you can make these gorgeous little cards. See, there's that Sunburst Ray again. So this one here, from here forward, you do need to purchase some of the add-ons if you want to make them exactly the same. But this is the colour plate circle from last month, and then this is our stitched rectangles and so forth. So lots of sweet little cards. Just a very quick flick through here so you can see them. Jenny, Ashley, Sam were our DT this month, and then we had a couple of our international girls create, oh, and Joe, sorry. There we go, there's some of Joe's. Isn't that just beautiful colouring? Some of our international girls did some blog posts. So this is Maya. She did that gorgeous little one. And this is Ali. And then this is Vicky. So these girls are from all over the world. There'll be some gorgeous blog posts coming up throughout the next couple of months with these. So there are so many ideas to use this when you buy our kit. Now remember, the kit is super value. You can purchase this on our website, of course, which is www.uniquelycreative.com, but we do encourage you to go shop locally and see if your local store has it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Till next time, bye.